Today I'm going to show you how you can create your very own templates in Taskade. Alright, so we're going to navigate from spaces over here. This is my workspace. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this social content studio over here. Now on the very top you will see we have workspace and preview app. I'm going to go into workspace. Here we have projects, and under our projects we have two projects. I'm going to go into social media content hub. Here you will see that this social media content hub has a bunch of stuff inside of it. Now let's just presume that it is quite defined and it's got quite a bit of stuff going on here. What we can actually do right over here is click on the three dots, come down and click on add to templates. Now what you'll need to do is give it a name. So now we have this name. It is optional. You can copy it to your workspace. You can copy it to your social content studio, which is our current space, or you can copy it to one of your other projects. Okay, I'm going to just select the workspace, and over here you see it has been copied and it is now a template which you can use. Now if you go back out, I'm going to go back to this home page. You can come down over here and you'll be able to see, if you go ahead and if you go into your settings, you'll be able to use that template again, and you can create from that template repetitively.